I revised all the topics.
That's why I did not post any.
Yes, ma'am. I also revised the whatever you told. Like I revised.
Very good, very good. Sri, I want my attention. Sri, please respond, Sri. If I'm calling, please respond to them. If you respond,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
very good, very good. Very good. Sri, what is a line? What is Sri?
What, ma'am? What, ma'am?
Line. Can you define line? Just
I'm joining some other reverse. Can you let me in?
go.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can I say, ma'am?
I'm joining.
Yes, yes, Sri, you can answer. Children, please wait. For whom I called, they should respond, or else I cannot.
No, ma'am.
Yeah, Sri, please.
Ma'am, line.
Yes, or else if you want, you can draw and show it. That's also enough.
Yes, ma'am. I'll draw and show you, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I define line, ma'am?
Wait. One by one. We'll go with one by one. Be ready with all the points. Memorize all the points so that I can give you what are the points we discussed. Point, line, rail, line segment, intersecting lines, parallel lines, collinear points.
Angles. Ma'am, can I say?
Ma'am, non-collinear also.
Ma'am, can I
Yeah, everything what we discussed in previous class, everything you're supposed to be.
Point, rail, lines, line segment, parallel, collinear, and non-collinear.
Ma'am, can I say, ma'am? See, Goda?
Sri, I'm asking, I'm waiting for your response.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, line means a line usually refers to a straight line. It has no width. It can extend indefinitely in both the directions, ma'am.
Very good. The line can be extended endlessly in both the directions. Very good, Sri. Good.
Ma'am, can I tell next
Yeah,
one?
mute yourself, Sri. And the next question.
Ma'am, actually, I will get the charger for my laptop.
Yeah,
so
please.
I will back in a minute.
Yeah, please. And I want answer from Tanvi. Tanvi, how to represent line? How to represent line in mathematics? How to represent line?
Ma'am, can I say, ma'am?
Wait, ma. Tanvi, I gave chance to Tanvi. Let her answer. If not, I can. Wait, Vinil. I know everyone will get chance. Don't worry. Wait.
What's the question?
How to represent a line? How to represent line? Come on, children, please.
She send in chat.
Yeah, you can. Others you can send through chat, children. That's good way. Others, please send through chat. For whom I'm asking, they should answer immediately. If you take time, I can struck here. I'm not going ahead. Come on, children. How to represent line mathematically in geometry? Where is my student for whom I asked this question? Tanvi is not there. Okay, maybe she has some network issue. And yeah, I can see the Rangu Vedant was given correct. Very good. Yes, good. Yeah, again you gave, right?
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
No, Varshit, my voice is good. Maybe your network, please check it once. A line is extend from both the sides. Very good, Om.
Can I say, ma'am?
Yeah, Vinil.
Ma'am, how means we can represent means it has two endpoints.
No, that's not line. Two endpoints is not line, right? We can do it by keeping, Soumya was given some answer. Let me read out her answer too. We can do it by keeping two arrows. Very good. By keeping two dots at the end of the line, by giving the name as letters.
Ma'am, by mistakenly I kept the dot, ma'am. That are arrows, ma'am. That is arrows.
Yeah. And Rishi, yes, I think Rishikesh was, is it Rishikesh? No, Rishita. Rishita was given.
Mistake, ma'am. Spelling mistake.
Okay. We can use a row at each end. Very good. Extends infinitely. Very good. Very good, Rishita. And Vinil was given a line. No, it's I think Vedanta. What is that second point you gave? Okay. Right. Right, children. Now come to back. You just said let me write on screen so that you people also can see what we are going to discuss. Yes, I'm asking about line. My students are giving correct answer. Line can be extended endlessly in both the directions. Line, suppose line can be represented with.
Line has two arrows.
This is A and B are the 2
It
points.
can be represent A, B, and up a line with two arrow on both sides.
Each
A
hand that
bar or
extends.
BA bar we can represent. And not only this, even we can represent with the lowercase letters like L and the line
A
M.
line and one more point I will say.
M,
Line is
line-
only a
line X,
segment
line Y.
that can be
Yeah, line
represented
Y
in small.
like that with the lowercase letters also we can represent the line, children. These are the different ways. And coming to point. So point, yes, wait children, I want answer.
Dot.
No, I want answer from,
Mummy.
wait, just raise your hand caption. Yeah, how many of you know, please raise it about point. Yes.
Ma'am, can you repeat the question, ma'am? Actually, some voice was stucking.
Yeah, Soumya, it's what is point, how to represent points.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I get?
Wait, no. For whom I called, they should answer, please. Wait till you should wait till your turn. Children, please cooperate.
I'm going to fill in chat box.
Yeah, you can. Without unmuting, you can. I want answer from Soumya. Are you answering?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Point
like
is an exact location. Point is an
Exact location.
ma'am, we can give a name to that also,
So
ma'am.
how to read point, children? Point A.
Ma'am, it
Point A, point B. Ma'am,
Point
like we can denote the point like by giving a name to it, like lines also.
with the capital
Like lines.
letters, with capital
Yeah, ma'am.
letters. we can-
Point A, point B, point C, point D, like that we
That's
can
all.
denote.
We can represent the point when it is capital letters and has the dot.
Ma'am, point has a no length, breadth, or
Yes, very good. The point has no length, no dimensions.
no breadth.
No dimensions means no length and no breadth.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, very good point, my student said. And the next question.
Ma'am, can we write the name of the point like A set point like that also?
Yes, you can write just if I'm writing A is a point. Yes, sir. Ray, Varshit Krishna can answer up for Ray. How to represent Ray?
Ma'am, how to represent, ma'am? Ma'am, one side we have a dot, ma'am, another side we have an arrow. It can be extended only on one side.
Yes.
So, ma'am, we can write like ray OP, ma'am. We need to write a small ray and then we can write a OP.
Very good, very good. Ray can
And we can't write that PO, ma'am, because our ending point should be written first.
Very good. Now this is about Ray, children. Now coming to line segment. Line.
Ma'am, can I say ma'am Vedant?
Yes. Yes, Vedant.
Yeah, ma'am. So, line segment is a line which has two endpoints.
Very good.
It is not like a line or a ray.
Very good. How to represent mathematically? A, B
Ma'am,
bar
we can keep
or B, A bar.
PA.
Very good. About this line, it has exact.
Are we so?
The line has a.
Are we
Line
not
has-
supposed to? No.
Yes, ma. Yes.
In line segment, Are we not supposed to put the dot at the both end while representing?
Yes, ma'am. Line segment has fixed length. We can measure. This is the line segment length we can measure. But a line, how much? What is the length of line means? Is it possible to measure? What is the maximum length of line we can draw? We don't know.
We can draw so much.
Yeah. Now coming to intersecting lines. Coming to intersecting lines. Very important point, children. I want the attention of Akshara, please. What are intersecting lines? Intersecting lines. Akshara, are you there in yesterday's class? Akshara? Akshara, please unmute and speak with me. Are you there in yesterday's class?
Ma'am, can you tell?
Ma'am, lines which
Wait. Next, this question, Karthik Verma.
Yes, ma'am.
What are intersecting lines?
Intersecting lines are lines that cross each other, like
Meet
a-
each other. Very good.
Yeah.
Intersecting lines are lines that meet each other. Wonderful. They meet each other. Is it intersecting lines?
yeah, ma'am.
yeah.
Yes or no?
Parallel lines
Yes,
which
ma'am.
never meet, intersecting
Is it
us, they meet
intersecting
at a
lines?
point.
Is it intersecting lines?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes. Is this intersecting line?
No.
Mm,
Yeah,
yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, they are intersecting
is-
because they are meeting at a point.
Ma'am, meeting, ma'am.
Suppose this is line L, this is line M. They are meeting at a point O. This is some line X, this is Y. They are meeting at point. Any point you can take with the capital. They are meeting at point A. Suppose this is line M, this is line N. They are meeting at some point B.
Point.
So this point, meeting point, we can call it as what, children?
Center.
No.
Intersecting point. Intersecting point.
Very good. Very good. It's an intersecting point. Wonderful. It's an intersecting point. So what are intersecting lines means? Two lines or more lines. Two or
more lines
that
that
Which
have
overlap on each other.
point.
meeting at a point.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes.
In intersecting lines, ma'am, when we draw one line and after that we are drawing second line, so to the first line only the arrow is touching, arrow is going up, so will it consider as intersecting or
So this
not
is
really?
like that. You are asking like that, right?
No, ma'am, means it will be other line but the arrow will be up, the arrow will be above, the arrow will be only crossing it.
Yes. Yes, these two are also line means if you extend endlessly, they never meet. Such a lines we call it as parallel lines. Suppose these two lines you see, if you extend endlessly also they never meet. The distance between these two lines should be same. If you see here, the distance between these two is same. I said one example also, railway track. If you take in Hyderabad the meter gauge railway track, the distance between two tracks is 1 meter. If you go to Delhi also, the distance between the two tracks is 1 meter only.
Kilometers.
Yeah, so that what we can say, those two are parallel lines. Those two are parallel lines. Where you are observing intersecting lines, suppose a track is moving to another track. Do you observe that in railway stations or else some point of intersection, they are changing one track to another track?
One track to another
They are
track.
crossing each other to, they are moving the first track to third track. How it is happening? They are intersecting another track and they are moving, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Please remember those things to me. And for ray, best example is sun. Also, sunlight. Also, I said the sun is a fixed point. Sun rays we are touching to earth, so that we can give best example for ray. Also, sun rays. And yeah,
And we can say as two or more lines having one common point is also called as intersecting, right?
Two or more lines. Yes, not only two lines, two or more lines.
Lines that are having one common point is called as intersecting points. Lines we can call like that, right?
Two, what is your, can you repeat it?
Two or more lines that are having one common point is called intersecting line.
Intersecting point. More than two lines means there is a special name, children. I will tell that part two little later. Don't worry about it. Now, intersecting lines means two lines, they're meeting at a point, makes an intersecting point. Anywhere, they can meet not only exactly 90 degrees. If they are meeting at 90
Intersecting
degrees,
lines and intersecting
listen,
points
listen,
are
children.
different.
If they are meeting at exactly 90 degrees means we can call it as anyone from the class.
Ma'am, can you repeat?
If two lines are meeting and makes an angle 90, such an intersecting line,
Right angle. Right angle.
right angle, or else such a lines we can call it as
Angle.
what?
Angle.
No, some word is there. Anyone from open task? See, listen, children.
I'm sorry, can you please come again the question?
Yeah, listen. This is a line. This is one more line. They are meeting at a point, some O. This is line L. This is line M. These 2 points meeting at and makes an angle 90.
It's a right angle.
Right angle.
Of course, it's right angle. Absolutely correct. So such a lines we have some name.
Are they
Perpendicular bisectors. The two lines
Yeah.
are perpendicular bisector to each other. They are perpendicular to each other. Children, you can see if they makes an angle 90 here, we can call it as they are perpendicular to each other. L and M are perpendicular to each other. If you see here, this is the symbol for perpendicular, children, volta T. This is the symbol for perpendicular. L is perpendicular to M. Suppose these two lines are parallel. The line L is parallel to M. So how we can say that mathematically parallel lines can be represented with a long 11. L is parallel to M. When you are going to senior classes, you can get in your textbooks this type of terminology. That means what you can understand, L is parallel to M. Means L and M are intersecting lines and makes an angle 90. And here L is parallel to M. L is parallel to M means they are parallel lines. They never meet each other. Hope you understood, children. These are the difference. This is a senior classes in your textbook.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am, so you can even call them as intersecting lines also, right?
Yes, we can call it as intersecting lines. But we have special name. By 90, it is angle is making as a 90. Suppose if you see here there is no 90. If you observe,
Ma'am, if the angle is only 90, ma'am, then only they are perpendicular.
yes, then only we can call it as perpendicular lines.
And can I say about collinear?
Yeah, we'll go with the next point. Children. This point yesterday I actually missed. That's why I want to convey with you. So I can. Next one is what is next part, children? Next one is collinear. Collinear points. What are collinear points? Collinear points. Collinear line. What is collinear line? One or yes, collinear points, collinear line, coplanars. This maths terminology, senior classes definitely you can get, but this is the base class. What is collinear points? More than 3 or more points. So suppose this is A, B, C, D. These all points passing through
lying
the line.
on the same line.
They are passing through the line L, same line. Then we can call it as ABCD are collinear points. ABCD
Ma'am, non-collinear.
collinear points. Yes.
Non-collinear.
Non-collinear means suppose point A is here, point B is here, point C is here. Is this ABC are collinear points?
No, ma'am.
What
No,
we,
those
It's
are
just non-collinear point.
then we can call it as non-collinear points.
Ma'am, there'll be some examples for collinear and non-collinear also, right?
Yes. Now coming to the next part, suppose a single point, many lines are passing through a single point. Two lines passing means we know that these are intersecting lines. If more than two lines will pass inside, there is a name. Anyone from your class?
Ma'am,
Intersecting lines.
Yes, with the same point, they are passing through the same point. Anyone from the class? Sorry.
Oh, ma'am, I didn't get the
collinear
question.
Huh? No, those are
Intersecting point.
intersecting point. Very good.
Question, sir.
Two lines are I said earlier too. If their two lines are meeting at a point, this point we call it as intersecting point. More than two lines passing through a single point. Please, anyone from the class?
Ma'am, I think it will form
Single line
a
is called collinear points, and if there are only two lines crossing, it is called collinear lines. No, intersecting lines.
Intersecting line, Nana. These the two lines are doing means it's an intersecting. This is
ma'am, collinear point.
this is inter.
And that's collinear. No, intersecting points. That is collinear. No, intersecting lines.
Very good. Intersecting. There are many lines meeting at a point. This.
Ma'am, what are intersecting
ma'am, is it
points?
non-collinear
Yeah,
point?
you can get one answer from Karthik Verma. I think you are very close to your answer. Please.
Ma'am, is it non-collinear point?
Non-collinear or the other one, upper one? No. I said non-collinear means they doesn't lie on the same line.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
I have doubt.
Yeah, Karthik.
Is there intersecting points?
Yes, this point is intersecting point. Suppose this is line M, this is line N. So these two are meeting at a point O. O is intersecting point. O is intersecting point. These lines L and M are intersecting lines.
Ma'am, are collinear points like?
That's why collinear point means you can see the above. These are all points passing through the same line.
Ma'am, sorry, ma'am. I mean collinear lines is like
That's
intersecting lines, but more like.
yeah. That's why please think and let me know. This is a very interesting point. Continuously will be tested, children. Two or more lines passing through the same point is called dash.
A collinear points. No, sorry, intersecting. No, intersecting lines.
Once again,
Intersecting line because it has only one point, right? Ma'am?
two or more lines passing through a single point is called dash.
Collinear.
I don't know about that, ma'am. But one thing is, but one thing I can say, like if we do in this manner, then it will make
having
a circle.
special name, Nana. Listen. Concurrent lines. What is that lines?
Concurrent.
Yes. Concurrent lines. This is also very important. This is separate. This is separate. These are intersecting lines. These are concurrent lines. These above one are non-collinear points. The upper one is collinear points. And the above upper one was intersecting and parallel lines. These are the different things we discussed
Ma'am, is it concurrent?
CONCURRENT, concurrent lines.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, so the answer is concurrent lines.
This is also very important, children. Don't forget these things. The basic things we are discussing. When two or more lines passing through a single point in a plane, they are concurrent with each other. That's why we call it as concurrent lines.
Okay, ma'am.
The common point of concurrency also we will discuss there, but that's not right now. We don't want more than this. These are the different types of things, children. Can we move ahead with another topic?
Ma'am, I have one final doubt.
Yeah,
Is there
circle.
something? Is there something
You
like?
see, only two lines are meeting means we are call it as
Ma'am,
intersecting.
no. With collinear lines, is there something called collinear lines?
No, there is no collinear lines. That's why I'm asking. Collinear points are there. Concurrent lines are there. There is no
Okay.
collinear lines.
Okay, ma'am. Nothing now.
Okay. Intersecting point. Hope you understood, children. These are the basic things. So please remember. If any time beyond from our level also they're asking question means you can ready to be answer. Concurrent lines, collinear points, non-collinear points, and what other things? Just a minute, children. It's time to open the page. Yesterday we discussed that these are the points we completed, and today you can see there is a wonderful diagram given here. In this figure, we need to name different things. There are multiple questions are given. First question is for non-collinear points. Non-collinear means they should not lie on the same line. You need to mark any 4 non-collinear points.
Ma'am, L, ma'am.
Points I want, not lines. I'm not asking
A
about.
and B, ma'am. And another one is, first one is A and B.
KB is collinear points. They're asking about non-collinear points.
Yeah, ma'am. It has only 2 points, so it is not a collinear point right now.
Yeah, I want answer from the students. Please think. Non-collinear means they
B?
doesn't have a same line. Is AB on the same line?
Yeah, ma'am. They're both only on the
You see,
one line.
point A, point B, point C, point D. Is these all lie on the same line? Yes or no?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No,
No,
they
ma'am.
are non-collinear
No, ma'am.
points. Very good.
So A and B is one. A and Q is one, ma'am.
Yes. No.
A and C,
directly
A and C.
A, B, C, D are non-collinear points. Next
Yeah,
one.
ma'am.
Next question. Please read the next one. What is
Point of
non-collinear?
intersection. Point of intersection
One by
line.
Vedant, please mute your mic. One by one, I'll call the children so that they can respond. Or else, if all together we can shout nothing, we did not get anything. Please try to bear with me. Try to understand. I want Hari Haran. Please unmute your mic. Hari.
Yeah, ma'am.
4 points. Sorry. Second question. Point of intersection of the lines L and M. L, where is line L? Where is your line L? Please check. This is line L and this is line M. Intersecting means they are meeting. Which point they are meeting?
Ma'am, B.
Yeah, so intersecting point of intersection or point of intersecting point of lines L and M is point B. Very good. Next, my question to the other students. Others, so you can put in the chat box too. Akshara. Akshara, are you there? Akshara, please respond, Akshara, or else I
Ma'am,
can't.
which one? Third one we have sent in chat.
Yeah, third, every other questions, please, children, others, please put in the chat box. Others, you just put a number and put the chat box so that I can correct your answers. And Akshara, you there?
Ma'am, I'm sending you from third answer, ma'am, because second and first you have done.
Why Akshara is not listening the class today? I want to answer from Tanvi. Please respond, Tanvi. Tanvi, please respond.
Can you say the question?
Tanvi, you see the third question. Point of intersection of line R and N. Where is the line R? This is line R. This is R and N. N. Which is N? Where is N? This is N. So what is the intersecting point?
D, ma'am. Point D.
R and N. This is R line. This is N line. Where they are meeting?
D, ma'am.
Where is A, my dear? This is your R line. And this is your N line.
Ma'am,
Where they are meeting?
D, ma'am.
At point D. Very good. Point.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Next, my next question to the student, Vinil Bhargav.
ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yeah, please, ma'am.
Ma'am, so like every line extends, right, ma'am? So how can you find a line segment, ma'am?
Line.
If it has two arrows at the end, then we can't find. If it has a dot, then we can.
Yeah. So,
Ma'am,
yeah.
the question I sent in chat box, I forgot to put capital.
Question number.
Question number 3 and 4, I forgot to put capital.
Okay. Captain. Okay. Point of intersection of line Q and N. Q line and N line. Q line and N line. This is Q line. This is
Ma'am,
N
can I
line.
tell?
Yes, Soumya.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it meets at the point C, ma'am.
Very good, Soumya. That's the confidence. Very confident answer. Very good.
Ma'am,
Point
can I
of
see
intersection.
next, ma'am?
Vedant?
Ma'am, can I see next, ma'am?
Yes, I'm calling.
Ma'am,
Point
can I, Rishita?
Rishita, I'll come to you one by one. Rishita, I'll come to you, dear. Wait a minute. Point of intersection of lines P and Q. The question to the child, Om.
Can I?
Yes, Om, your question.
Yes, ma'am. This answer is A.
Point of P and Q. Where is P, children? P line is this. Where is Q line? These two are meeting at a point.
A.
Very good. Confident answer. Good. Next question, Rishita. 4 line segments. You give two line segments. Another will give another line segments. 4 line segments. Name
Two
the
line segment. Two line segment. D and C.
Very
No. Yes.
D and C.
D and C.
Yeah, CD also we can write, or DC also we can write. Right. Very good.
Ma'am, can I,
Let her give 2. Then I can wait, Vedanta. Then I'll come to you.
Give another 2.
Rishita, one more I want from Rishita.
AB.
AB, very good. Rishita.
And BA. And BA we can call also.
Yes, AB or BA.
Ma'am, which is in the between, ma'am, and
other 2 lines from Karthik Verma.
yeah, ma'am.
Other 2 lines. Then they're asking about 4 lines. They said the student said 2 lines. Please name other 2 lines. Sorry, these are line segments. Sorry, children. That's so sorry. These are line segments, children. I just so sorry.
Yeah, ma'am, that's what I'm having a doubt. How can those
Sorry. I
line
just
segment?
kept an so by mistake I kept sorry, children. See, these are line segments. So what DC or CD? This is line segment, and sorry, AB. Come on, I want more too.
Ma'am, I
Very
didn't
Karthik.
understand
No,
this question, ma'am.
AD, then it is.
Karthik.
ma'am, D and D,
Ma'am,
CD.
I CD? Ma'am, I didn't understand this question, ma'am,
Ma'am,
because all I'm
same
having.
They're asking
Can I
about
tell?
4 line segments. 1 minute, ma. 1 minute, I'll come to you.
Ma'am, is it CD or DA?
CD or DA, already she said, leave that and give another one.
Ma'am, I didn't understand this question,
Yeah,
ma'am, because
see, can we go like that? AD? Yes or no?
Ma'am, AD. Ma'am,
Ma'am,
CD.
AD we can go, ma'am. AD we can go, and then we can also go BC. BC or
ma'am.
BM.
DC
BC or BM also we can take.
Very good. These are the 4 line segments. Sorry.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am, I'm
like whatever, if A and B has a line after it, so like a sleeping line and
Line
standing line
segments,
too.
we can take that points as line segment because other lines for they gave some other letters like L, P, M, N, Q.
Mama,
that
I have
I'm
a doubt.
taking.
Okay, ma'am.
Mama, I have a doubt.
Vedant, which one?
Ma'am, the same one, ma'am. So it extends forever. So it's
I'm not speaking about lines. I'm not speaking about lines. I'm speaking about line segments.
yeah, ma'am. But how can you say that as a line segment, ma'am? So it's just
Yeah,
it's
this
that.
from this point to this point is line segment only. This is a fixed length. These are the 2 points. Okay, I'm not asking about a line N. I'm asking about a line segment CD. Is this
Letters are on a
can
line
we
with
take it as
arrows.
can we
It's called
take
as
it
line
as
segment.
BD and AC also? Yes or no? Can we take it as BD and AC?
Yeah, ma'am. We can take
BD and AC. Very good.
BD, BC,
BD and AC, but BD and AC will come under intersecting lines a little later. But in this case, we can 2 points on the line Q. What are
Okay.
the 2 points lie on the line Q?
Ma'am, can I say Om?
Ma'am, can I say, ma'am, or 3 chances?
Ma'am, can I say Om?
Oh,
Ma'am, can I say
I want answer from Rishita. Rishita, what are the 2 points lie on the line Q?
2 lines are
No, 2 points.
2 points. Yes, ma'am. Lie on the line Q.
Q.
A and C.
Very good. Point A and
Point C.
that's all. Very good. Like that, if any diagram will you can take it.
Like which point is connected with the Q, ma'am?
Not only these questions, then even we can extend the questions like what are intersecting lines?
Ma'am means if it is like R, ma'am, so we'll take B and N.
Yes, for line R, D and B. Very good.
Okay, ma'am.
Right.
Ma'am, can we take N?
Take L as the line, AB are the 2 points lie on the line.
Okay.
If you take P as a line, AD are the 2 lines. If you take M
Okay, ma'am, like which the line which is connected with that is the point.
Exactly.
Ma'am, can I say, ma'am?
Next question. Now let me go with the next.
Ma'am,
Excellent, please. Sorry. Where you can observe the concurrent lines,
Ma'am, I didn't get the chance.
which is a
Ma'am, DCAB.
yes,
Yeah,
this
ma'am.
is a concurrent point. Yes, these are
Ma'am,
concurrent lines like
DC.
Q, P. Very good, Nana. Good, please. Like that, you can think more about the diagram. And the next question, the next concept, coming to the next concept, curves. Curves are very important, children. There are different types of curves we have. So what are curve means without lifting a pen? Sorry,
Ma'am,
without
curves
lifting a
means
pen or pencil. If you take any paper, draw a line.
Like we can, without lifting pen, we can draw as much as we want, ma'am.
Yeah. So when you draw a line on a piece of paper without lifting pen or pencil, without using scale, that shape we will get is called a curve. See children, for example, if I'm taking, this is my surface. So this is my pen. I'm taking my pen. Without lifting my pen, I can draw a line, any line. I can draw without lifting my pen. Without lifting my pen, I can draw any. This is, what is this?
Ma'am, it's intersecting, so does that still count?
That is okay, whether it is intersecting or generally, when if you draw a line, on a piece of paper without lifting pen or pencil, without using any scale, the shape that you will get is called a curve. There are different types of curves.
Cross itself.
Listen, children, there are different types of curves. Simple curve. Suppose a simple curve means it doesn't cross itself. So suppose just before example, if you see, this line is crossing here. If you check here, this line
Yeah, yes, ma'am. See, ma'am, here it is going around.
is crossing, but
Go down.
it is not a simple curve. So simple curve doesn't
Like,
cross.
if we don't like make a round, ma'am, or
Huh.
get into a line again, it will be a simple curve.
Yes, Nana. It won't cross itself, or else it won't meet other. So such a curves we call it as a simple curves. In the figures you can see there are two examples. The line is also a simple curve. Sorry, line segment is also a simple curve, and this is also a simple curve because there is no meeting point. Suppose this is a simple curve.
No,
Why?
it's a curve.
It's curve. Very good. It's a curve, but it's not.
Not
Simple curve.
simple.
Yeah. It's not a simple curve. The question will be which of the following not a simple curve. You can choose this option. It's a wonderful basic question. So please remember. And open curves.
Ma'am, open curve, ma'am, it will begin and end at the different points, ma'am.
They won't meet the point.
If it would be open and
Yeah,
back
it will be
side
open.
would be.
By looking the figures only, you can see children.
Yes, ma'am.
So these
And
are
ma'am, down
nothing.
it is closed figure, ma'am. We can like we start at the same point and end the same point, and it's
Yeah,
closed.
exactly. The figure begins and ends at the same point is a closed curve. The figure do not begin and end the same point is called open curve. So
Open
these
curve.
are very important. Please go through that. And the position of the figure also in the position of the figure, we need a very important thing, children. We are sitting inside the room. That means we are interior of the room. So our mother is working in the garden. So mother is exterior. That means she is outside of your room. If you take as a room, a house as your, so who are interior? You are sitting in your room and studying. So you are interior. So
Yeah,
your
ma'am.
mother is doing some gardening. She is keeping some plants outside the home. That means she is
Exterior.
doing. We can call it
Exterior.
as she is an exterior.
Ma'am, interior, ma'am, means
Can you
in that
talk
word
a little
in
bit
there.
louder, ma'am? I can't hear you.
Yes, Vedant, I can hear you.
Ma'am, can you talk a little bit louder, ma'am?
Louder, children, are you able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am, we
Yes,
can
ma'am, we
hear
can hear you.
Ma'am, I didn't understand open curves.
Is it my voice is low, Karthik?
No, ma'am, it's problem from Vida. I mean.
Okay, thank you, children. Thank you. See, children, there is a figure. There are 3 points. Point A is inside, so we can call it as point A is interior. Point B is exactly on the figure, exactly lie on the boundary of the figure. So we can call it as the point B is on the boundary. So the point C is does not lie inside or on the boundary. It is an outside. Outside means exterior. Please listen this. Inside means interior. On the boundary means boundary. Outside means exterior. These are the 3 words you need to remember, children. Interior, exterior, on the boundary. Okay. In this figure, A is interior, C is exterior, B is on the boundary. Now my question to my children, which point is an exterior?
Ma'am, what if all the
Ma'am, C, ma'am, the C one. And ma'am,
What
the
point is an interior?
ma'am, points is the ma'am point. Ma'am, can I do Soumya?
Ma'am, A is an interior and C is an exterior, ma'am.
Suppose
Ma'am,
I'm
ma'am,
giving
Ma'am, A is an interior and
I'm
C
giving
is
one
a
more question.
exterior, ma'am.
This is
ma'am,
point.
can I tell this answer,
This
ma'am?
is point X. This is point Y. This is point Z. So which point is exterior?
Soumya, can I tell, ma'am,
Ma'am,
please?
exterior is Z
Soumya,
and
ma'am. X and Y are the boundary and Z is the outerior.
Very good. Very good. Very good. These are the
And boundary means it is on the like line.
on the boundary.
boundary.
Boundary means the on
And
the
ma'am, in this figure, A is interior, B is boundary, C is outerior.
yeah, exterior. So children, the interior curve together, its boundary is the region. We know that this is the interior of the curve together with the boundary is called as a region. This is a region. Next, coming to the next important and wonderful concept, polygons.
Yes, ma'am.
Tomorrow we are going to discuss about the polygons. So
Polygons means 5. It will have 5 sides, 6 sides, 7.
no, it's a closed figure.
Polygon are
bounded
closed
by
figure.
line segments.
Ma'am,
I've
been getting example. I'm telling that all are examples.
Polygon
Whatever
have this
Now,
pentagon.
please stay with me. If you shout, I can't go ahead. Please stay with me. Listen few points. I'll really give some time to my students to talk last 5 to 10 minutes. So that time you can answer your questions too. See children, now there are what are the points we discussed in today's class? Today's class a wonderful session actually. Yesterday's what we missed that we can recollect once again in today's class. Today, one more new concept, concurrent lines. The concurrent lines are lines, they all lines passing through the same point. Such lines we call it as a concurrent lines.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, when a number of lines go through a point is called as concurrent lines, right, ma'am?
Yes. Many lines, they will pass through a single point.
Ma'am, from 2 to any number line, it is called as concurrent lines.
2 or more, not 2. 2 lines, we will
Ma'am,
call it as intersecting lines. No, no.
Mama meant more than 2.
More than 2, yes, yes. 3 or more lines.
Ma'am, like, what is that form of shape that's like starts with a po?
Okay, start with the
With like PO. It's not polygons, it's a 3D shapes. What is it called?
Okay. That's about once again 3D shapes. We'll go little later, children. Polygon is a closed figure bounded by a simple line, bounded by a line segment. So very important, children. What is polygon? Frequently tested question. But a polygon is a simple closed figure bounded by line segments. Suppose you can ask which of the following are the polygons? These are the figures being given like.
Ma'am, we learned polygons only like starting of the time when I came in the first lesson.
Yes. Which of the following are the polygons? So is this polygon, children?
Yes, ma'am. A circle.
Polygon is a simple closed curve. Suppose is this a polygon? Is this a polygon?
Yeah, ma'am, but the up one is not the polygon.
No, this is also. Is it a polygon?
Ma'am, it's a polygon.
No. Why? Because even though it is bounded with the line segments, but it is not a simple figure, children. It's a complex figure. Complex closed.
Polygons are closed
Simple
figures
closed
with
figures.
a normal pattern.
They
Not
are
the
simple closed. They
colorful design
won't
crossing each other.
overcome. They won't cross on each other. Because here this line is crossing, here once again crossing. So this is not a polygon.
Otherwise, it is becoming a concurrent
Complex
point.
polygon. This is of course polygon, but it's not a simple polygon. It's a complex.
Complex polygon.
Things we will discuss in next class. And then now we'll go with a small quiz on the topic. Shall we?
Okay, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. I'm ready, ma'am. Ma'am is sitting down.